Want to type faster and keep your keyboard layout clean on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Here's a smart trick. By enabling double tap spacebar to add period in your Samsung keyboard setting, this helps you quickly end a sentence just by double tapping the spacebar. It's easier than tapping the small period key, and the spacebar is wider too. Even better, when this is on, you can remove the period key from your keyboard layout for a cleaner, simpler look without losing its function. To turn this feature on, open any app where you can type. As the example, while you are texting on WhatsApp, tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Next, tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Tap more typing option, and then enable double tap spacebar to add period. To see how it works, go back to your WhatsApp. Now try to type a sentence. And then double tap the spacebar. As you can see, your phone will automatically add a period. It's a small change, but it makes typing feel smoother, quicker, and neater. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.